Your thoughts become your reality. So what are you thinking about? Whatever you want to be, you have to think about it. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to think like one. I went from a school teacher to being a top 1% realtor in the country, to owning my own coaching business and bringing it from $0 to $7.2 million in just 25 short months because I thought like an entrepreneur. Hi, Krista Mashore here from Krista Mashore Coaching. And today, I want to teach you how to think like an entrepreneur. Hey, before we get into this, if you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It is my goal to educate and to entertain you. So if you like it, this is the channel for you. I want to clear up a huge misunderstanding that many businesses or professionals actually have who are in the services industry. Even if you work for a large company, in most cases, you are not an employee. You're a business owner. You usually need to develop your own clients, right? You are an entrepreneur, and because you're an entrepreneur, you need to stand out from the pack, not just do what everyone else around you is actually doing. For example, many new loan officers, they'll just try to fit in and follow the footsteps of the mortgage professionals around them. They act as if they've been given a job description with certain duties. Go to real estate networking events, cold call real estate firms, work with anyone who wants to walk through the front door, work weekends and nights, and answer their cell phone 24/7. To be successful, they assume they can't choose what hours to work. The job drives their schedule. They don't think that they can actually choose what clients to have or what their business should look like. With just a few variations, service professionals in other industries could actually tell you the exact same story. Now, don't get me wrong. My results in real estate were outstanding in my first 3 years, but I wasn't as innovative then as I am now. I work like crazy, but I was timid about standing out and making myself known. I wish I'd understood the awesome power of being bold and innovative back then. You don't have to make that same mistake. Whatever your business is, whatever your profession, jump into your business boldly. Make a difference and be different. Stand out. Create unique businesses and do the things that your colleagues and your competitors are not doing. Be an entrepreneur. Hire a coach. This may seem crazy to you, but as successful as I am, I continue to have a coach at all times. You might be like me. You need mentoring, constant pushing, and help to implement all the things that you need to do to stand out and to actually make it happen. Don't be a lemming. Don't just follow the leader. Be the leader. My goal was always to be the number one in my market. In the beginning in real estate, I had to study the super successful brokers and figure out what I could do to be as successful as they were. I kept the techniques or approaches that fit me and discarded the rest, and I modified them, of course. I started studying other businesses outside of real estate to see what made them successful. Then I took what I learned and I applied it to my business. For example, early on, I realized that I really wanted more control over my time, which meant obviously that dealing with sellers back then rather than buyers was a smarter choice. So I turned my attention toward making that happen. The point is, I didn't just drift along doing real estate. And you don't want to just drift along either doing landscape design or doing yoga classes, whatever your career is. Create your vision, which might change from the time, of the type of business you really want. Then focus on putting that business together. Your goal may not to be number one in your industry. You may just want more revenue, more stability, or to work with a different type of client. You may want a business that actually secures your financial freedom or one that lets you actually control more time. Whatever it is, the principles I'm sharing with you will help you get there. But you need to start with your unique vision of what kind of business that you actually want. Then you design your brand around it. Whatever your business, whatever your profession, jump into your business boldly. Make a difference and be different. Again, I'm Krista Mashore here. Let me know what you think by actually commenting. And as always, I'd love for you to share this if you're watching this on Facebook. And be sure to subscribe if you're seeing this on my YouTube channel. And as always, I'm here to serve. Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.